Today, I'm gonna tell you why your car doesn't make a noise when you beep it. Well, lock it. You know, it makes that beep noise when you lock it. You stop making it. I'm gonna show you why it's not making the noise. Because you're pressing buttons, or your kid is. Alright, so look. You see how I'm pressing the button, the lock button. You hear the lock, unlock, all that. Usually when you lock it, you hear a beep like the horn. Or it doesn't make the noise when you press this button. You see? Usually it make the noise. People think it's, people think it's the horn or whatever. You check it and the horn will be good. It's not the horn. Fuse, not the fuse. It's the remote. It's the damn remote. You see when you lock it? Lights flash and all that. But you don't hear beep noise. So, easy fix. Just hold this lock button and unlock button same time, like this. You hear that? See how it beeped? Now, when you press the lock button, now it's back. Hear that? Beep. Beep. Here, just look. Hear that? Now, see? Easy fix. So, just press those two, hold it, and should be good. But, if you're one of those people who don't want that noise, that horn noise, you press lock and the unlock button same time, then you see it, flicker, then you won't have the beep when you lock the door. So, it's optional. It's either you have the beep when you lock it or no beep. Alright? Okay, if I helped you out, you already know. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time. Later.